What is robotics? Robotics deals with the design, construction, operation, and use of robots controlled by computer systems. These technologies are used to develop machines that can replicate human actions and even substitute humans. Robotic machines or robots ensure humankind's day-to-day operations are made easier, faster, more convenient, more efficient, and more productive. So what's the difference between robotics and AI, or artificial intelligence? AI can purely exist in software technology, but robots must be a moving physical component in the real world. There's a gray area with bot programs like chatbots, which are technically not robots, but a program that can interpret human language. So, will robots take our jobs and take over our lives? According to the World Economic Forum's latest Future of Jobs report, by 2025, more than half the total time spent on labor will be handled by machines. Nearly 50% of companies expect that by 2022, automation will lead to some reduction in their full-time staff, while 38% surveyed expect to grow their workforces to new productivity-enhancing roles. Another recent study by PwC estimates that in the United Kingdom, 7 million jobs could be lost to machines over the next 20 years. But, wait for it, another 7.2 million could be created. Here are some examples of how robotics in the form of drones can make a difference in the medical and agricultural fields. First up, the zipline drone, which can accelerate from 0 to 100 in 1/3 of a second on its way to deliver life-saving blood. The drones can fly at 110 kilometers an hour, navigate bad weather, and avoid traffic, so they can get to hospitals and pharmacies quickly. Then there's aerobotics, which could define the future of farming in South Africa. With food security a growing concern, a Cape Town startup is changing how farmers manage their crops. The drone's aerial data analytics platform gives the farmer insight and key information about the crop, for example, size and health. It can also detect pests and diseases using satellite imagery. What about the role of robotic technology to drive business benefits? We may not have heard of it and probably haven't seen it in action, but robotic process automation, or RPA for short, has been growing at more than 60% a year since 2014. RPA is the use of smart software to carry out manual, repeatable, routine, time-consuming tasks like invoicing, administrative banking, web analytics, or help desk responses. Cognitive automation mimics the way the brain works to help humans make decisions, complete tasks, or meet goals. Cognitive technologies include machine learning, which involves computers learning how to do a specific task without being trained to do so. Natural language processing, or NLP, where computers learn to understand and use language. Machine vision, which quite simply is the ability of a computer to see. Emotion recognition, which allows a program to read the emotions of the human face. And optical character recognition, which uses software to identify printed characters, for example, number plate readers, to name but a few. All of these can have an impact on how we manage our daily lives. The International Federation of Robotics predicts that there will be 3 million industrial robots worldwide by 2020. There are now, on average, 85 robots per 10,000 employees in the manufacturing industry alone. But robotics will create more jobs than it removes, as skills development and training become the focus of a future with robots. So learn to live with robots, because your tech matters. I'm Yavi Madure.